This could be the car for you. The 2025 Lincoln Aviator. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Presenting a new level of refined capability, the Aviator. This luxury midsize SUV delivers spacious seating for up to 7, a premium entertainment system, lush interior details, and a standard suite of driver assist tech. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate. Get serious about your style. Get behind the wheel of this sophisticated Aviator. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.